Hi there. What will Shiba Inu coin price be in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year, and so forth? You know, many pundits out here are predicting the price of Shiba Inu coin. Others are saying Shiba Inu coin is going to hit, for example, 5,000 Satoshi points in the next 3 months. Others are saying, for example, it's even going to reach 1 cent in the next 1 year, and so forth. All these we're going to be looking at critically in this video. Y'all are much welcome to the Crypto Project YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. You might be wondering, why is this discussion important in the first place? You know, this conversation on cryptocurrency, specifically Shiba Inu coin, is very significant. And I'm saying so because we're talking about a cryptocurrency which just came to be about 2 years ago. Yes, you heard it right. If you didn't know, Shiba Inu coin was first released sometime August of that 2020. So that makes it 2-year-old as of August 2022. And of course, if you are a crypto enthusiast, you've all witnessed the great motions the Shiba Inu coin has made in the cryptocurrency space. As I'm speaking right now, Shiba Inu is ranked 15th in the market according to the coin market cap ranking. You know, 15th in the market with regards to its market capitalization. In essence, its price and also volumes with regards to the holding out there. It's ranked 15th in the market. And by the way, this is very major considering it only came to be 2 years ago, and it's out there competing with the best of the best cryptocurrencies. You know, only a few popular and big cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Dogecoin, Avalanche, just to mention a few, are ahead of it. Then you might be wondering, why this drastic rally? If we look back a bit, we've seen over the past 2 years, the Shiba Inu coin has had very good advancements, more so in two fields, with regards to listing and also with regards to its ecosystem. When it comes to listing, we've seen Shiba Inu coin, initially referred to any of the meme token out there, like one of the meme tokens out there, rally to be listed within the best, and in fact, the biggest listing apps out there and also listing companies. Talk about Robinhood, talk about Coinbase, talk about, there are so many, you know, there are so many out there. Shiba Inu has really worked its way up to ensure it's listed among the best trading platforms out there. And beyond that, we've seen advancements in the Shiba ecosystem, right? We're talking about just beyond Shiba Inu coin. The developers of the Shiba Inu token have also went ahead to advance and venture in other ecosystem supporting mechanisms. You know, we're talking about Shiba's own swap, which allows people to buy, to trade, to exchange, and also to do any swaps out there, right? With regards to the Shiba Inu coin. We've also seen the advancement, for example, in Leash, you know, in Bond, and so forth. Just a few other key assets in the Shiba ecosystem. All these have contributed towards informing the price of the Shiba Inu coin. Of course, those you may argue are micro. Yes, they are. There are other major macro factors in the cryptocurrency space. For example, dominance of different cryptocurrencies out there. For example, news regarding, for example, the SEC, news regarding any FUD out there, and so forth. All these play a big role with regards to how Shiba Inu coin price action moves, whether it moves up or moves down. But at the end of the day, Shiba is holding strong despite any interference of the market forces, right? We're seeing it holding strong onto its position. In fact, sometime last year, it rallied even to the top 10, whereby it reached a peak of rank 7. This shows you the possibilities in the realm of Shiba Inu coin are not limited. So, speaking about Appraisal, for example, Shiba Inu coin reaching possibly 1 cent. Is it something realistic? Not really sure, but I think Shiba Inu coin could, for example, before the end of the year, rally up to maybe 8,000 Satoshi points. That's realistic. But it increasing, for example, to 1 cent is gonna mean something out of this world. Why am I talking like that? It's because at the moment, Shiba Inu coin's market capitalization is 6.7 billion US dollars, right? So when talking about it reaching 1 cent, we're talking essentially about it increasing by over 1,000 folds. In essence, what that's gonna mean is that its market capitalization is gonna rise to upwards of 70 trillion US dollars, which, by the way, in no way cannot happen. And I'm saying so because the entire global economy has a cap of about 100 and something trillion US dollars. So there's no way a single cryptocurrency is gonna rally to have a worth of over half of the entire global GDP. It's just not possible. Of course, we've seen the entire cryptocurrency space do good numbers, because by the way, sometime last year, it reached a peak of about 2 point something trillion US dollars. Of course, the most dominant cryptocurrency out there, Bitcoin, led the pack by having a market cap of about 1 point something trillion US dollars, which was very massive. And at that particular point in time, we also saw Shiba Inu coin rally and rally up, whereby its market capitalization increased and increased. It was very insane. You know, we talk about the market capitalization going to almost 30 something billion US dollars with regards to its market capitalization. So all this shows you increase in prices are possible. There's no question about that, right? It, following the pattern of other dominant cryptocurrencies, is possible. There's no question about that. In fact, Shiba Inu coin seeing more and more advancements in its network is inevitable, because competitors out there, for example, Cardano, Solana, and so forth, Ethereum, in fact, even for Ethereum recently, we're talking about it jumping on that merge. Merge is going to happen in about a month or so. So it's inevitable also for Shiba Inu coin. We're going to see advancements in development of this particular cryptocurrency. Yes, it's going to happen, and it's good for the ecosystem. It's good and a key catalyst for investors out there to jump in this space, which is very massive. But it, for example, running to over 1 cent is something out of this world, to be frank. And even now, people even dreaming of it, for example, going to $1, most likely, I mean, it will never reach there. Maybe dream of 1 cent. Maybe it may reach, for example, 1 cent in the next 20 years, 30 years or so. But it rallying, for example, to upwards of $1 US dollars is just not possible. That's why, as an investor out there, you need to be realistic with regards to how you're betting in the market. You know, you can't go out there, for example, putting money in the Shiba Inu coin and then expect it, for example, to reach $1. Chances are you're going to be disappointed, because you're banking on what is just not feasibly possible. Yes, realistically, for example, before the end of this year, I foresee the current price of Shiba Inu coin at the moment at 1236 Satoshi points might have maybe increased by over 5 folds. It's possible for it to reach, for example, over 6,000 Satoshi points before the end of the year. But it reaching 1 cent is a far-fetched dream. That's why I think we need to be realistic with our expectations, so that to ensure we invest wisely, we hold assets in our portfolio in the right proportions, and also, at the end of the day, don't get disappointed because of unrealistic expectations. And by the way, these are the things pushing people out there, for example, to do big numbers in day trading and end up incurring losses, as opposed to holding for the long term, understanding it is a growth momentum which is slow but sure. Ultimately, people are going to be able to make money in the cryptocurrency space, just not as immediate as they desire for them to make money. And by the way, one last thing most people out there don't understand is that the truth is that investing in the cryptocurrency space is a zero-sum game. It is what it is. You know, at the end, you can't make money in a space where there's no money. Of course, this space is driven by speculation, but it's kind of funny if, say, for example, people they are putting money in, for example, Shiba Inu coin, and expect, for example, Shiba to increase 10 times, and then everyone is going to go there and cash out their money. It won't just be possible. That's why we see during cryptocurrency market crashes, we see even the main exchanges out there freeze. In essence, it's because of illiquidity. Yes, the virtual price is increasing, the perceived price is increasing, and also because the market forces of demand and supply, yes, the price is increasing, but just there isn't sufficient money for everyone to cash out at any particular point in time. So be very wise when you invest in this space. Go for those tokens or for those cryptocurrencies which have credibility. Avoid those, for example, which people are out there pumping the price, and then fleecing you of your hard-earned money. That's my opinion in regards to Shiba Inu coin future price action, where it is in the market, and the realisticness of the Shiba Inu coin space and the cryptocurrency space in general. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other insights next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.